Hello and welcome back everybody, this is Muhammad Said with you again. In this video, we're going to learn how to add object properties or IDs to any variable in your code. So let's get started with our new video. So first of all, in almost every video, we always have to import something in the beginning. So we're going to import from kivy.properties, import object property, which helps us give properties or IDs to any variable or input that we have. And yeah, so we're going to go to our style.kv, and here we have to create our variables. So the first thing over here, name and email, there are the names of the ID. So here the ID name is equal to the input label text name. So yeah, and same thing for email. And when we go to the bottom, I'm going to explain why we used roots here. So after doing that, we're going to go to our kivy, and we're going to say class MyGrid instead of pass. We're going to say that we want our name we want it to be an object property, but it's going to be none until Python goes and looks for anything with the name email or name inside the style.kv. So yeah, now here we want our button to be the same as the beginning. When you press on your button, it gives you what you inputted. So we're going to say define build self, and then we're going to print name is equal to self.name.text, and if we didn't say anything, it's going to give us nothing. So let's just see how that works. Here, when you run it, it opens up this window. If you say here anything, if you say your name, your email, you press submit, you're going to see that here it printed your name and your email. So for example, let's say I wanna say not name, let's say first name or anything you want. So I'm just going to say first name. First name, and email, or let's say main email. Here, let's see what happens when we rerun. When we rerun, when we run it, here it's going to bring this here name and email, but when you type anything inside it and then submit, you're going to see that it prints first name and then main email, not name and email. And also, let's see here if we just said instead of nothing, if we didn't say anything, let's say none, or not entered, or we want something that a user will like it. So let's say please enter your name, and we just want to copy that same thing to our email. So just copying that here, remove that, and please enter your email, and just fix that. And now we're going to rerun. It brings this up, and then we're not going to say anything. You see here now it doesn't have anything below. I'm gonna submit. You see it says first name. It didn't say anything inside. Let's see why that didn't work. Okay, let's look at it in here. and come back here. So let's see if there's anything wrong here. Let's just try rerunning it here. So yeah, I don't know why this didn't work, guys. If any of you know, please tell me in the comments down below why that didn't work. Because it was working, and yeah, maybe there's something wrong with our style.kv folder. So let's just make it nothing as it was before. So yes, now when we print that, now down here in the bottom, you have to say what you want to search for. So here it knows where class MyGrid, where to search for name and email. So we're going to tell it search in the folder style. So it's going to come here to style and scan all of your code. It's going to see that you created an ID called name, which specifies your variable called name. So you see here, it's you have to write your ID name, so it knows that this text input has the ID name. So yeah, now that's the same thing for our email. And here we can't just say text submit here, and we can't just say on press root.btn. We have to say root.btn, so that really works. So let's say I just remove that from here. Let's see what's going to happen. I'm going to do that. I press on here, you're going to see that we got a error. You're going to see btn is not defined, so we have to say root.btn so it knows which function we're talking about. So yeah, let's say root.btn for it to work. Okay. Yeah, so, and also something here, guys, whatever you call your kivy file, it has to be exactly the same of what you write here. So if we said style, we're going to say StyleApp. So you have to make the first letter capital and also with the A of the app capital. To run it, why did they do that? They just did it. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if any of you have any questions, anything that didn't work with you, please tell me in the comment section below. I'm going to tell you why that didn't work, and yeah, and I'm also going to put the code. I'm going to put it in the description. So bye, see you in the next video.